Well, I just set the target up at 100 yards, and we got the Savage MKII BTV with SK Standard Plus. Let's do a 100-yard little video. Let's get to shooting. Welcome back to Brotuned, guys. Today we have a quick little video. We're gonna do 100 yards with my Savage BTV with SK Standard Plus. So we swapped scopes out. So now I have Vortex Viper PST Gen 2 5-25 on here, and we're pretty well ready to go. So we'll dial up. Let's see where we hit here. It's actually 6 degrees and there's pretty much zero wind. 6 degrees C, 29.06 inches of mercury. You're supposed to get a big rainstorm today, but just kind of drizzling a little bit, and the snow is melting real quick. So let's get comfortable here. Set our parallax. Let's see. Looking pretty good. And our view is not the greatest because it's so foggy out. But what we're gonna do is we'll do 5 sighter shots dead center on that target. It's the MDT target. And from there, we will proceed to shoot a few 10s and see how this rifle groups at 100 yards. So first shot, holding dead center. And pretty much point of aim, point of impact. Shot number 2. Same hold. That one went way right. That one went in the second hole. Last shot for our sighters. And we're splitting the difference. So we moved our impacts left, 1 click. And we'll do 1 more 5-shot group, and then we'll shoot 4 10s. So this is another 5. I'm gonna do top right target this time. Here we go. And I'm not gonna adjust again until after this group. That one went way to the right. That's shooting very good. I think we had 3 in 1 hole at 100 yards. Pretty crazy. You're 1.6 mils up. The velocity so far is 1021.8 for our average. So now I'm gonna shoot. There's a small little dot dead center. Well, actually, it's just above the center target to the left. I'm going to aim at that for 10 shots. Here we go. Right there, right beside it. Ooh, we had one flyer there. Still within an inch though by the looks of it. That's a pretty damn good group. I would give my good rifles a good run for their money for sure.
Well, if it wasn't for that flyer, we would have had a 9-shot group at 0.926 inches or 0.884 MOA. So under an MOA with a $600 Savage Mark II and random SK Standard Plus ammo, and that's what we're getting. That's so amazing. But then we had that one flyer, which brought it up to 1.66 or just over 1.5 MOA, 1.58 MOA. Well, can't win them all. Let's get back to shooting.
So I guess this one I'll hold. Ooh, we did have one huge flyer. Never mind. I didn't see that one. All right, I'm gonna shoot for top center target, 10 shots. Another very good group. I'm gonna have to reload a couple mags here, but I'm so impressed with this rifle. $500 gets you a rifle that shoots better than my $2,000, well, maybe not better, but about the same as my $2,000 CZ457 with the IBI barrel. Like that's, and a Timney trigger. This thing has a stock trigger, stock barrel, stock, wood stock, like, and it's shooting just your basic Standard Plus, $11 a box ammo, Canadian ammunition. So, gotta be super happy with this. I have, like I said, the PST on top of this thing, so this scope is probably 3 times the price of the rifle, but amazing how this thing shoots. Can't complain with that. So we'll do another Another 10-shot group. Well, 2 more. I wanted to go to 200 yards, but it's so foggy out that you can barely see 200 yards. I'm having a hard time seeing 100. All right, this next group we'll do bottom right diamond for 10. Here we go. Shall come right one. See if we can get it on center. Now back to the other side. My count was way off, so this might open up this group. Or not. I guess we had a flyer there too. Don't know which shot it was, but I see one way high. Last shot. So with that one flyer, we're going to be over an inch, but still amazing how good this thing shoots.
Well, there it happened again. We had one flyer shoot out, but if we eliminate that one flyer, this group of 9 shots would be 0.841 inches or 0.803 MOA. So awesome again. But then you throw in the flyer and we're at 1.62 inches or 1.5 MOA. But still not bad.
It just goes to show you don't need to spend thousands of dollars to get a good shooting rifle. Last group. I'm going to shoot the middle right target. So between the or just above the last group there. Here we go. Ooh, that one almost went off the paper. There's our flyer for that group. Three more. And that looks pretty damn good. We had, I guess, 2 flyers straight from our normal group, but we have all 50 shots and we're averaging 1018.8. But we have a pretty good extreme spread. So let's go grab our target and see how we did.
Well, here we have our 100-yard target with the Savage Mark II BTV and SK Standard Plus. And like I said, pretty damn amazing. If it wasn't for that shot, we would have had a group under an inch for sure, right there. And then this one was under an inch, all 10. These were 5, but we had 3 in one hole. Pretty awesome there too. This one here, we had a couple flyers. So one there, but most of the group in here. And that's probably within half an inch if we got rid of those 2 flyers. And then this one as well. Very small group, under an inch, if it wasn't for that one flyer. So if we include all shots for the 10 shot groups, we're at 1.5 inches or 1.45 MOA at 100 yards with this inexpensive Mark II Savage rifle. The optic is a decent price. It's the Vortex Viper PST Gen 2, 5-25. So that's up in the $1,800 Canadian range, which is probably about 3 times the price of the rifle. But seems to work. So let's get back to the video.
Well, there you have it, guys. 100 yards with my new Savage BTV Mark II. Like, who would have thought this thing would shoot so well? Pretty awesome. And this is a perfect scope for this rifle. And I don't know if you can see, but there is just a hair, probably enough to fit about 5 to 10 sheets of paper between the scope and the barrel. But because this has no cheek riser, it just works out perfect. I could probably put a little bit of padding still just to get my cheek weld perfect on it. But yeah, very, very impressed with this rifle. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you all next week. Take care. Bye for now.